dressing room and bathroom in bedroom is an ideal solution for storing and organizing your clothes items while respecting the decorative interior design. Discover these bedroom designs with wardrobe and bathroom that come with beautiful and functional shape and layout. The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes. The bedroom design looks normal both in terms of layout, accessories, colors and furniture, but if you look deeper into the bedroom, you will get a truly luxurious design that blends in with the wardrobe, so that the unity of this room becomes very practical and beautiful. A bedroom with a design that is not too flashy in terms of design. However, once you enter the bathroom, with its large size and luxurious design, it will make the occupants feel at home and happy to have a bedroom with a bathroom and wardrobe. Surely you will be amazed to see this room. With a bedroom that is quite elegant, when entering the bathroom there is nothing flashy but very pleasant, then the surprising thing is the walk-in closet, which is really spacious with 2 floors to store a lot of your clothes. The bathroom design is very comfortable and cool. With a combination of neutral colors in the bedroom and white for the bathroom, it is ideal as a resting space as well as for pampering yourself. The bathtub using luxurious gods is directly visible from the bedroom, making it like an oasis. With the size of bedrooms and bathrooms and wardrobes that are not too large, all of these spaces are very pleasant, especially in terms of color and the use of furniture. Soft colors and elegant classic furniture feels very comfortable for the best place to rest.